In the weeks that followed, Emma and Liam kept finding ways to see each other. Walks in the park, coffee dates, and long conversations became their routine. They discovered little details: Emma's love for rainy days, Liam's obsession with old records, and laughed at how perfectly their quirks seemed to fit together. One evening, under the soft glow of streetlights, Liam gently took Emma's hand. "I don't want this to end," he said. Emma felt a warmth in her chest. "Neither do I," she whispered. They leaned closer, sharing a tender first kiss. In that quiet moment, everything else disappeared. Just the two of them, a spark ignited, and the feeling that something real and beautiful was only beginning.